Is that okay? It's touching that. It's in the same dot. That's a penile or spongy urethra. That's number 5. So number 6, yeah. So number 6 is the seminal vesicle. Number 7, it's the, already we talked about, I put for you number 7 kidney slides with the glomerulus, okay? So number 8, what is number 8? It's coming here. Number 8 is the urinary bladder on a female reproductive. Number 9, urinary bladder. Number 8 is the urinary bladder. Number 9, yes, number 9 is the cervix. 10 is the fallopian tubes or uterine tube. 11 is the interventricular septum. Okay. 12 is the pulmonary semilunar valve. As you can see here in the model, it's between the right ventricle and the pulmonary trunk. So this is the pulmonary semilunar valve. Again, this is the interventricular septum, and this is the pulmonary semilunar valve. I'm talking about number 12. So number 13 is the coronary sinus, okay? Here, coronary sinus. Number 14, they have different 3. The SEM14, haustra, on digestive system. Talking about that. I mean, I gotta spell for you. It's Haustra. Okay, that's in the digestive system. Haustra. Haustra. 14. Mira lo que. That's what I'm talking about, okay? So number 15 is the small intestine. Small intestine. 16, descending colon, definitely 16. And 17 is the second, okay? 18, this is the slide that is represented for you in white blood cell. If you look at it, it's a neutrophil. It's a granular white blood cell. Take a look to the different polymorphonuclears and the different lobes within the nucleus. 17 is the cecum. Cecum. Okay, so we already finished with the 18. 19, what are 19? Yeah, what is 19? Let me think about it. Right here. Right there. Oh yeah, this is a slide. Testis on that slide. 20. What is this gland here that is pointing to? Pituitary gland hypophysis. That's the gland. 21. Okay, let me take a look at 21 is the thyroid gland in the thyroid slide. We already saw that one. 22. Yeah. What is this? It's a renal pyramid. It's a renal pyramid. 23rd. Okay, 23rd we have the bile column, bile duct, and 24 is the gallbladder. Here in 25 we have the parotid gland. Yes.
Is it cystic duct or bile?
No, it's the bile duct. It's not the same. 23 again for you is the common bile duct or bile duct. You can put like that, okay? And 24 is the gallbladder. Here is, okay, we are now in 25, in 25th, which is the parotid gland. This is one of the salivary glands. Okay, so 26, yeah, it's the slide. 26 is the slide, pancreatic isolates, okay? And pancreas, definitely. Well, we are in 27, auricle of the heart. This is an auricle, ear-like, that we have surrounding the atrium in this case. And we have in the 28, this is the anterior interventricular artery, as you can see here. Anterior interventricular artery or left descending anterior artery. It's one of the major branches of the left main coronary artery, okay? And great cardiac left, yeah, it's a branch of the left coronary artery. But the name is anterior interventricular artery. If you put left descending artery, I have to accept it, okay? But it's not the left main coronary artery, because the left main coronary artery, as you know, is up here, okay? Yes. So 29 is the great cardiac vein. And 30, so this that is touching the vein is the great cardiac vein. 30, it's the aortic arch. This is the arch. Well, you already know the 3 bifurcations just in case. Brachiocephalic trunk, left common carotid, and left subclavian. Okay? Just in case, I mean, I have a circulatory system, cardiovascular system model, the white background, that you could be, I mean, they could be prepared for you, that kind of question, because this is one of the major arteries that are, I don't know, and just a technician put for us in there, so it should be an objective, just in case. 31, what is 31? Is it back there? 31 is the prostate gland. It's easy, right? Yeah. Prostate gland. So 32, corpus spongiosum. Corpus spongiosum. Yeah, definitely. The cavernosus is this one. 32, corpus spongiosum, and 33 is the scrotum. Scrotum. Okay, 34, over there. What is 34? What is that gland? Pancreas. Pancreas. Very nice. 35 is a long slide. 36, what is the 36? Okay, this is a superior lobe of the right lung. Is that okay? As you know, the right lung has 1, 2, and 3, superior, middle, and inferior lobe, and the left has just the superior and the inferior due to the cardiac notch. That's good. And 37 is abdominal aorta. 38 is the diaphragm. So far, so good? So what is 38? Diaphragm. We are in 39 now. 39. What do you need?
What is your order?
This is the abdominal aorta. Abdominal aorta. Diaphragm. 30. Hey, come on. Where are we right now? 39. 39, you can say the pharynx. 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 They're not just the pharynx. 40 seems to be the nasal cavity. 41 is the trachea. 42 is the left primary bronchus. Left main, left primary. Definitely. It's accepted if you write the left main or left primary. So we are in 43. What is 43? Oh yes, it's here. 43 is the bronchiole. And if you detach this, you will see that it's a bronchiole. You see? It's a bronchiole. This last term, I mean the beginning of the sinus, as you know. So we are bronchiole. 44. What is 44? Down there? A little there. Oh yes, definitely is the inferior vena cava. 45 here. 45 is the glomerula, as you can see in the nephron, that part off. 46 is the collecting duct. As you can see, this is a duct that is collecting for different nephrons. 47 is a minor calyx. If you are not touching the tip of the papilla, okay, so it's a minor calyx, okay. The tip of the pyramid, I'm sorry, which is the papilla. So 47 is a minor calyx. 48 is the left renal artery. As you can see here, 48, left renal artery. 49, what is 49? 49 is the esophagus. 50 is the rugae, and 51 is the fundus. There's no 51 here, there is 51 here. The fundus, that's superior part in the stomach. 51, you should, come on, 52 is the pylorus. 53, okay, 53 is the adrenal cortex. 54, parathyroid glands. There's no 54, but if they ask you, these are the parathyroid glands. This is the posterior part of the thyroid, this is the anterior part of the thyroid. You will distinguish the parathyroid in the back. Okay, 55 is ovary, that's the slide. 56 is the renal cortex. So 56 is a specimen in a pig, I mean in a sheep. Renal cortex, in dissected sheep's kidney. And 57 is the ureter, right ventricle. 58 here. 59 the papillary and mitral valve or bicuspid valve in 16. Okay? But mitral valve or bicuspid valve in the 60. 60.